Hey everyone, how are you? And if you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is KCV, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about my Beauteque Monthly subscriptions. I have the June box and June Mask Maven bag. This is the beauty box, Mask Maven bag, to talk to you guys about today. We're going to unbox these and see what kind of products are in here. So if you don't know what Beauteque Monthly is, it is a Korean beauty brand monthly subscription service. I'll have more information down below, as well as my previous unboxing for this brand down below. I did the August box last month, and now this one's the June one. The beauty box comes with 6 full-size Korean beauty products in various things. They have makeup, skincare, hair care, sheet masks, skincare, all that stuff. And then the Mask Maven box actually, well, I guess Mask Maven bag actually comes with 9 sheet masks of different kinds. There's sheet masks, eye masks, lip masks, stuff like that. You get 9 of them. This is $13 a month, and this one is $22 a month. Definitely worth it in my opinion if you know how expensive Korean beauty brands can be. It can get up there in price, so this is like a great way to try these products out and see if you like them. I do have a coupon code with them to save money off your first box if you decide to sign up. It is KC25, and I will have it listed down below as well. I'll go ahead and let you guys know about the November box, which they are currently signing up for. You have until November 15th to sign up for that box, and that goes out at the end of this month. And the theme for that month is Bon Voyage, so I think they're going to be like travel friendly products and stuff. So that's very interesting, but right now we're going to talk about the June box. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the Mask Maven box or bag because I love sheet masks. You guys should know by now. So this is what the Mask Maven bag looks like. It's just a pouch, and it has all 9 sheet masks in here. And then the theme for the month of June was Deep Detox. So I have a feeling a lot of these are going to have like charcoal type products in here. So here are all of the sheet masks and some information. Let's just get right into it. So the first thing in here is this sheet mask. Is called the Stayed Up Late Mask. I want to say the brand is TSAIO. I'm not going to try to pronounce that because I'm not sure, but this actually looks like a Chinese brand. Taiwan. It's a Taiwanese brand, and it says this is a black cotton mask that features a moisturizing mix of botanical extracts that will leave your skin refreshed and ready for the day. So this is one that you put on and it only takes 5 minutes, which is really cool. A lot of face masks take like 20 to 30 or 15 to 20 depending. So this supposedly is good in 5 minutes. So the next one here is the Volcanic Ash Essence Sheet Mask from Esfolio. Where is that? Yep. Esfolio Pure Skin Essence Sheet Mask in Volcanic Ash. It says it's known for its cleansing and soothing abilities. The volcanic ash has been used for centuries to cleanse, purify, and treat the skin. I don't think I've ever used anything that has volcanic ash in it, so we'll see how this is. But it's supposed to give a lot of moisture and nourishment into your skin, so we'll see. So this is the Farm Stay Charcoal Visible Difference Mask. It's a soothing mask that contains hyaluronic acid and charcoal for dewy, clear skin. So it's something that's supposed to clear your skin, but also make it nice and moisturized. And this is the Skin Planet MNMF Solution Cream Mask. It says replenish your skin after your detox with this nourishing mask. So I guess you can detox your skin first and then use this after to replenish. It's like something that's supposed to soothe and moisturize your skin after a detox. It's made up of hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, and shea butter for extra hydrating treatment. So when you're having one of those super dry days, that would work as well. Next up we have this. I love these types of masks. Actually, it looks like we have 2 of them in here from the same brand, and it's one of those oxygen masks. These are the Purederm Deep Purifying Black O2 Bubble Masks. So that's what I meant by oxygen. So it's the ones that actually bubble up. One is charcoal and one is volcanic. Revitalize your complexion with this bubbling sheet mask. It's a carbonated essence, fizzes up to deep clean the pores while delivering maximum nourishment to your skin. The volcanic one deep cleans, tones, and hydrates. And then the charcoal one purifies, brightens, and moisturizes. So I definitely can't wait to try these out. Maybe I will try these out on camera one day, or like on my Instagram story, because I want to start using that, or on Snapchat again. I'll try this out and let you guys know. Maybe I'll do a live and try this out. That would be interesting. Okay, so the next one is another charcoal mask. This is the COS.W My Real Skin Charcoal Mask. It says it's the perfect blend of purifying and hydrating. It's a charcoal mask that helps remove impurities, while hyaluronic acid and plant extracts replenish the moisture. So obviously the theme of this whole box is to purify, detox, and replenish the moisture. I really like that. This looks like it'll be really good. COS.W is a really good brand. I think I still have quite a few products from them, and they tend to be really good. This one I think is something that I've gotten before. I think I got this in my last box, possibly. I feel like I just used this. And if this is the same one that I just used, I really, really love it. This is the Skin Planet Daily Fresh Garden Mask in Pomegranate. It is an antioxidant-rich pomegranate sheet mask that promotes healthy skin by reducing the signs of sun damage and aging. Something that's really good if you live in Florida, and sun damage is a huge thing, especially down here. The sun is really, really strong and constantly exposed to it. But I'm pretty sure I used this last week. So I'm really excited to actually have another one because I really loved the mask when I used it. It's one of those masks that actually fits my face really well, considering some of the other ones don't. And it like fits underneath as well. It has like a pocket so that it actually fits underneath your chin. So I think that that's really good, and I can't wait to use that again because I did like it. Last but not least, we have this baby right here. This is the Ultru I'm Sorry for My Skin Black Mud Mask. This is under the Deep Detox category, just like the bubbling one. So it's supposed to be something that's really good for that. It says the bentonite and kaolin clay help remove impurities, while mineral-rich volcanic ash helps cleanse the skin without over-drying. So I guess this would be, it looks like it's a black mud mask tightening type mask. So this would probably be something that I would be using and then using like a hydrating mask over it if this is too drying. But it looks like it's one of the longer masks that you wear because you put it on for 30 to 40 minutes. So I'm actually really curious to see how this will work. Hopefully it's good for sensitive skin because my skin can be very sensitive. 30 to 40 minutes is a long time. But it says it's good for pore care and skin stress relief. So I'm definitely going to try this out. And that was everything that came in the Mask Maven box for June. All these products you can actually find on their website if you're interested in trying any of them. If you want to sign up for the Mask Maven box, that's $13 a month, and you can save money off that first sign up by using my code KC25, just like I said. By the way, that code is for you guys completely. I don't make money from that whatsoever. So if you want to use it, you can use it. If you don't, that's fine too. I'm just trying to save you guys a little bit of money. So now we're moving on to the beauty box. Like I said, it's 6 full-size products, $22 a month, usually worth it. At least the last one that I got was worth it because it was well over like 60 bucks, I think, considering this was 22. That's a pretty good deal. Just opening it up, we're going to continue with the charcoal theme, it looks like. Here are all the products for the ones that came in the beauty box, and what I like about this particular one is it actually has the prices here, whereas the sheet mask, it doesn't tell you the price of each sheet mask. This one actually lays out how much each product is. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out the first one that I'm actually really excited about because I love bubble masks. You guys don't understand. I find it so fascinating. So this is the Bavi Fat, I'm pretty sure that's how you say that, Urban Doll Kiss Carbonated Charcoal Clay Mask. So it says that it is a super fun wash off mask that bubbles up while you wear it to deep clean dirt and sebum from pores for clear, refreshed skin. It has kaolin clay and charcoal powder to make a powerful cleansing treatment. This actually retails for $20, so that's basically the amount of the box right there. So next up we have these charcoal facial cleansing wipes. This is from the brand Look at Me, and it retails for $5.99. Gently cleanse and purify skin with these convenient cleansing wipes. Charcoal draws out the impurities for extra deep clean while vitamin E moisturizes. It says travel friendly wipes, resealable, perfect to take with you to the gym. So basically whenever you want a quick refresh, whenever you're trying to cleanse your skin, you can use these. That's a really good idea. I mean, I use makeup remover wipes for everything basically. So this is a good thing to use if you're at the gym or if you're somewhere and you just want to refresh your skin. Okay, so we are moving on to this right here. The Jaeon Bamboo Charcoal Konjac Sponge. I'm pretty sure I just screwed that up. Also retails for $5.99. It is a sponge made from the all-natural konjac roots, making it biodegradable. Though these sponges are known for their exfoliation abilities, they're extremely gentle on your skin. It's a sponge that's infused with charcoal powder for an extra deep clean. So you just apply, I guess, your regular moisturizer or your regular cleanser to the sponge and use it that way. I've never used a sponge like that to cleanse my skin, so I think I'm gonna give it a shot and see if I see a difference, but it looks like it's interesting. This is the Color Skin Purederm. It is the Purederm charcoal design nose pore strips, retails for $5.99. So these are the strips that goes on your nose and you can kind of like pull off. I don't really use this, I really should. So this is going to be interesting. It says gently lift away blackheads with tried and true nose strips. These larger nose strips cover more area than regular ones, so I guess they're bigger. My nose is kind of small, so I don't really need bigger, but it's okay. They're infused with charcoal powder and witch hazel, which helps purify and also is a more gentle treatment. So I will give this a try. Next up, it looks like we have a makeup product. This is an eyebrow pencil from the brand Vacci or Vacci. V-A-C-C-I, retails for $8.99. It is the Royal Luminant Auto Eyebrow Pencil, and it looks like it's one of those angled eyebrow pencils. Looks like that. It's one of those things I'm definitely going to have to play around with. It looks like it's a little bit hard to use at the moment, so I'll have to play around with that. It might be one of those products that just needs to be warmed up, but it does look like it's definitely a more natural eyebrow pencil, like something that's not going to be like super defining on the eyes. Sorry, my hair keeps falling and I keep fixing it. So this is the Farm Stay Charcoal Pure Cleansing Foam, retails for $11.99. It is a foaming cleanser that helps control oil and blackheads for a fresh and clean complexion. You're supposed to use it on your fingertips or like apply it to your fingertips or a cleansing tool. I could probably use it with this and see how that works. And you just massage it onto your skin, rinse it off. It has grape and rice extracts in it that are great for moisturizing and toning the skin as well. And those were all the products from the beauty box this month. It looks like there's well over $22 worth of products in here, considering the mask itself was $20, so that's a really good deal. So I'll have more information on these boxes down below. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this subscription service. Would you try it out? Would you get it yourself? Is it something that you would be interested in? Or is Korean skincare in general something that you're interested in? Let me know. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.